Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop. Woo. Woo. Stop.
और हैप्पीलेक के ताउन से यहाँ पर एक इंटरनेशनल वीमेन डे राइड मुनक़िद कर रहे हैं 8 मार्च की जो हम हर साल मनाई जाती है। आज संडे है तो सारे हम लोग गैदर हुए हैं टू अप्रिशिएट द वीमेन हु हैव डन एंड कंट्रीब्यूटेड अ लॉट टूवर्ड्स बेटर इकॉनमी और लोगों की एक ग्रोथ के लिए बड़ा काम कर रही हैं लेडीज़, तो उसको हम अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए सारे यहाँ पर गैदर हुए हैं। और ये हर साल साइकिलिंग डिफेंस लाहौर जो है ये हम इंटरनेशनल वीमेन डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं जिसमें लेडीज़ पार्टिसिपेट करती हैं और हमें मौका मिलता है कि हम उनको अप्रिशिएट करें। साइकिलिंग बहुत अच्छी हेल्दी स्पोर्ट एक्टिविटी है जिसको अब गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे भी प्रमोट किया जा रहा है। पंजाब गवर्नमेंट भी प्रमोट कर रही है। पिछले हफ्ते कमिश्नर लाहौर ने साइकिलिंग रैली का एहतमाम किया हुआ था और इसमें मैं कहूँगा कि हमें जितना ज़्यादा साइकिलिंग को प्रमोट करें उतना अच्छा है। हेल्थ के लिए भी अच्छी है, अगेंस्ट कार्बन एमिशंस इट इज़ वेरी गुड। हमें तो इसको एज अ मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करना चाहिए। अगर आप यूरोप और अमेरिका और बाकी मुल्कों में देखें तो वहाँ पर स्पेशल साइकिलिंग लेन्स बनी हुई है, साइकिलिंग के लिए रोड्स बनी हुई है। और कुछ ऐसे ममालिक भी हैं यूरोप में जहाँ पर साइकिल ज़्यादा हैं और गाड़ियाँ कम हैं। यहाँ पर भी हमें इस रुझान को फ़रोग़ देना है जितना ज़्यादा हम दे सकते हैं ताकि साइकिल ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यहाँ पर फ़रोग़ पाए पूरे पाकिस्तान। मेरा नाम फैसल शबीर है और मैं साइकिलिंग डिफेंस लाहौर हमने बनाई थी 2017 में। उस वक्त से हम 2 लोगों ने स्टार्ट की थी, मैं और फैसल होकर, और उसके बाद माशाल्लाह ये ग्रो करके हज़ारों लोगों के अभी हमारे मेंबर हैं और हम लोग इसको रोज़ाना सुबह शाम साइकिलिंग एक्टिविटी को कंटिन्यू रखेंगे रोज़ाना।
हम ये दिखाना चाहते हैं कि विमेन हेल्दी एक्सरसाइज में मेन के बिल्कुल साथ साथ हैं और हम हर साल ये करते हैं 1 मार्च को। और इसमें जो बच्चे फैमिली इंसान भी हमारे साथ पूरा सपोर्ट करके हमारे साथ चलते हैं और हम इसको बहुत इंजॉय करते हैं। इसके फ़ायदे इसलिए कि अभी इन्वायरमेंट हमारी इतनी बुरी हो रही है, स्मॉग हमारे 3-3, 4-4 महीने रहता है लाहौर में। तो जितना हम इसमें ज़्यादा साइकिलिंग में जाते जाएंगे हमारा जो पुराना लाइफस्टाइल है वो वापस आएगा, तो हमारी इन्वायरमेंट और हेल्दी होगी। और ये जितनी कार्स कम होंगी, हमारी रोड जितनी कार्स से भर गई हैं, तो आई थिंक छोटे छोटे और लाहौर में तो इतने डिस्टेंस भी नहीं है। अगर हम साइकिलिंग की प्रॉपर लेन्स बन जाएँ जो कि गवर्नमेंट बड़ा सपोर्ट कर रही है उसको, तो लोग अपने ऑफिस में और स्कूल्स बच्चे जो हैं वो साइकिल से जाना शुरू कर दें, तो वो बड़ा अच्छा होगा हमारा। बड़ा अच्छा एक इमेज होता है और एक हेल्दी इन्वायरमेंट डेवलप होती है साइकिलिंग ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड।
गवर्नमेंट पे क्या अपील करेंगे?
गवर्नमेंट से हम ये कहेंगे एक तो सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी के हमारी जितना डॉल्फिन ऑलरेडी हमारे साथ सपोर्ट कर रही है, थोड़ा सा और अगर मोबाइल पुलिस रोड पर हो तो हमें ये डर ना लगे कि कोई हमें तंग करे, तो हम सारी औरतें फिर आराम से अपने ऑफिस में और छोटे छोटे जो डिस्टेंसेस हैं मार्केट में जाना है कहीं, तो वो अगर साइकिल भी कर लें तो बहुत अच्छा होगा। तो एक स्पेशल लेन साइकिल के लिए उन्होंने साइकिलिंग के इवेंट्स भी रखे हैं, कोर्सेज भी रखे हैं। अगर थोड़ी सी एक प्रॉपर लेन बन जाए तो फिर हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा। एंड आई बिलीव इन रामखान इज रियली सपोर्टिव इन दिस, इंशाल्लाह अच्छा होगा हमारे।
Well, yeah, thank you everyone for joining us. Last week we had Commissioner Lahore race in which again CDL performed exceptionally well, and I would like to call the winners on stage. Third position in women category, Miss Aisha Sadiq. Can you come on stage, please? She was third in the race, and Pakistan has kindly agreed to give gift hamper to Miss Aisha Sadiq and free service of cycle as well. In addition to that,
थैंक यू फॉर द सीरियल। मैंने तो न्यूज़ वन किए सीरियल को, लेकिन ग्रुपिंग में साइकिल का जो बेनिफिट्स हैं और उसके ही गई कुछ और आई एंजॉय माई साइकिलिंग राइड्स। थैंक यू फॉर द सीरियल एंड हैप्पी लाइफ। थैंक यू।
she is not here, and we have our star who has been winning a number of prizes, and she always put first since she has joined CDL, Miss Manish Naseem. A big applause for her. Pakistan has again graciously offered gift hamper and free servicing of her bikes. There may be two.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Pakistan. Thank you, CDL. Thank you, Best Buy. Happy Women's Day.
Parcel of cycling defense or Mr. Hussain. A good gift hamper and free servicing of cycle to Mr. Hussain as well for taking up first position in the race. Sir, would you like to say a few words?
बस ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जिस ग्रुप की वजह से ये अचीवमेंट हुई है वो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान और सीरियल है, और इसका सारा क्रेडिट जो है मेरी टीम को जाता है।
Thank you, Mubin, for introduction. So, Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me here today and to share a little bit of my life story and my journey with all these amazing ladies and gentlemen here. I'm sure all of you have achieved in your own right, in your own respective fields, and I see a very diverse group of ladies and gentlemen here. When Mubin asked me that she wanted to invite me here, I said if I can inspire even one person, I think it will be worth it. And so I'm here to just, as Mubin said, that I lost my father when I was 11, and then when I got married at the age of 17, my class fellows, I was in first year in Canade, and my class fellows, they were all into concerts and studies and dramas and extracurricular activities and fun and tests and exams, and life had something else in store for me. So what I was doing, I was into susral and husband and house and diapers and all that. And then after 12 years, at the age of, when I was 29, I lost my husband. I had 3 little girls. And at that time I thought, what am I? And that's the question. I thought that my girls have lost their identity because they've lost their father. I, as a wife, as a woman, have lost my identity because I lost my husband. And I just thought, what do I do now? Who am I? Where am I? What are my girls going to do? So at that point in time, I thought, well, I want to do something so that my girls should be proud of me as they were of their father. He was a wonderful human being. He was a bureaucrat. Lots of people knew him. People loved him not because he was somebody important in this world, but somebody who was genuinely a very good-hearted, an amazing human being. So that was his credit. So I learned a lot in my 12 years of marriage, but I wanted to make an identity for myself as well. And as I say, there was a show when we were young. We used to watch it. I don't know how many of you have seen it or not. It was called Misfits of Science. So I thought I was a misfit in this world as well. When at the age of 17, I should have been in college and studies and all. I was, in my married life and all that. And at the age of 29, when I decided to continue my studies, at that time when I went back to college, because I had not done my bachelor's or my FA or intermediate or anything, so when I went back to college, at that time, girls of my age, they were into husbands and diapers and susral and ghar and all that. So I was always at a place where probably I didn't fit in. But Alhamdulillah, Allah was very kind, and when I started college, I loved every moment of it, every bit of it. My mother was a lot of support. I did my intermediate, I did my bachelor's, I did my master's, and then in 2002 I joined the Dawn Media Group. I'm not an ambitious woman. I was not ambitious at that time. I'm not ambitious now. But along this time, I inspired a lot of people. My class fellows used to tell me that, when we can't complete an assignment or we can't get ready our presentation, we just feel that if Rabia can do it, why can't I? She has 3 girls, she has ailing parents-in-law, and she has the challenge of, dealing with this patriarchal society as a single parent with 3 little girls, ailing parents-in-law. If she could do it, we could do it also. So, and I love all those girls, all my friends for that. Alhamdulillah, as I said, life has been kind. There has been a lot of hurdles, a lot of obstacles. But, you can start any time in life. It's never too late. It's never too late. If you start, if you have the will, if you have the desire to achieve something in life, then Allah will make way for you. You have to believe in yourself. And I believed in myself, and I believed in the 12 valuable years of marriage I had with my husband. So I valued that time also, and I valued the struggles and the tribulations that I had in life. Now I would just like to conclude with a little bit of telling you that this is something that I did, which you can see, but the patriarchal mindset that is entrenched in our societies and our families, it's not just because of the men, it's because of the women around you as well. I'm sorry, with due respect to all the women and all the gentlemen here, but that's what I was dealing with. आपको एक रोती, बसोती, मजनून, देवा सबको बहुत अच्छी लगती है. But if a woman decides that she has to take charge of her life and she has to make herself independent, her girls independent, this is something which bothers not just the men but the women as well. And they feel, हमारे तो ऐसे नहीं होता, how could she? And it's very easy. I mean, all of you know that women can be judged, they can be exploited, they can be mistreated, they can be labeled because of being a woman. Men don't face that. Women face this discrimination because of their skin color, because of their weight, because of their education, because of the way they dress. It's their choice if they want to dress in jeans or in abaya or in whatever. So this kind of patriarchal mindset is there. Men don't face it. It is us women that face it. And because of this, I have, apart from the fact that I had my life without, and my daughters had a life without their father, I had to deal with, because I didn't have a brother, so there were property litigations, property cases. And since my husband died, there were property litigations because of that. So this is something that I had to deal with day in and day out. Allah ki marzi thi ke my husband just had this life. But these people, they make your life difficult. They make your life hard. And remember when my husband was posted in Muzaffargarh, people would ask me, aapke kitne bache hain? So I would say, I have 3 daughters. Or bete? And there was one lady, she was educated, and she asked me, she said, अच्छा आपके father की death हो गई, आपके भाई नहीं है, आपका बेटा भी नहीं है, oh God. कि क्या, you know, so they make you feel that you are inadequate, you are, there is something lacking in you, there is something wrong with you. But Allah Miya जो भी करता है वो बेहतरी के लिए करता है, and I've learned this, and I'm sure that my girls, my husband up there, and of course Allah, they will be proud of me. Yes, I've achieved whatever I've achieved in life is because of my dedication, my resilience, and support of not my family, so to speak, but my lovely friends around. Mubin is one of them. So, so girls and boys, if you want to achieve something in life, just go for it. So thank you so much.